This is the Radius Garden Pro Edger, and it's pretty nice. We got an all stainless steel end on here. We have resin encased steel inside of here, and this handle is really nice, really durable, really riveted together well. This thing's 38.5 inches long, about 9 inches across here, and we have about a 5-inch blade on there. First, I wasn't really sure about the O handle, but I do like it because I can get 2 hands on it if I want to, 1 hand if I want to drive it into the ground, and of course, it's got the foot pegs on here. Never mind the fact that it's convenient to use and ergonomic, it actually makes it easy to hang up when you're done. Hang it up in the garage, in the shed. It's perfect for putting like a border edge right here. Just the edge of cutting the grass out right here. So it's wet grass right now, so just perfect to lay it in there. What I like about the rounded portion of it is you can basically just work it back out. You don't rip any grass out with it. You're not pulling up big chunks of mud, even though it's wet out. I like that. Very nice. I can get a nice edge around there. Even if I wanted to lay a block in, this is a good way to put an edge around there. I could just lay the block on the ground, cut my edge in, and I know where to dig it out at. Easy to use, just the right weight too. This thing weighs about 3 pounds, 12 ounces. Perfect.